Hi and welcome back. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. So I'm going to be showing you today the brand new lip liners. I'm loving them. They are waterproof, so I'm really excited about that they're waterproof. They're smudge resistant. They are not going to transfer, so if you are eating or drinking, it's not going to go anywhere. The really cool thing is it just takes a couple of seconds, and after about 30 seconds, then they are going to be set there, and they're going to be set there for hours. So as long as they're new eyeliners and lip liners. Today I'm just showing you the lip liners, but the eyeliners is the same thing, so it's not going to transfer. So I don't know if you have oily eyelids, but I sometimes have had problems in the past with my eyeliner kind of ending up in the middle of my eye as the day went on. But with the lip liners and the eyeliners being waterproof and the new formulas, they are so much better. So I'm excited. I'm going to share these with you today. I'm going to show you a couple shades on the back of my hand. I will also be doing a video with all of them too. I'm missing one right now. So when it comes in, then I'm going to do a video showing you all the different colors and you can vote on which one's your absolute favorite. But we've got nude colors. You can see here we've got the red still got the berry, a bunch of the nude colors. I love the nude ones. They're so pretty. The hot pink is brand new. We have rose still, so that one stays. So lots of good shades. So I can't wait to show them to you, but today I am going to show you one of my favorite ones, and I'm going to put a lip gloss over the top. So a cool thing about the new lip liners is that you don't need a lip primer anymore, not with the new ones, because they are so good and they're so stay proof and they're not going to go anywhere, that you don't have to add all the different layers. So this also really allows you to be able to choose a color with a lip liner, and you don't necessarily have to put a lipstick over it either. You can, but for a nice simple look, you can absolutely just do a lip liner with a lip gloss over the top. And that's what I've been doing ever since these launched. That's been my go-to, is a lip liner with a lip gloss over the top. So let me tell you a little bit about them. So like I said, they're fade and transfer resistant. They also have vitamin E in them and hyaluronic acid, which I was so excited to learn, because hyaluronic acid and vitamin E are going to hydrate. So those are both going to hydrate your lips. So when you do go to take it off at night, it's not going to make your lips all chapped and really dried out or anything like that. I know I've bought lipsticks in the past where I go to take it off and my lips are so chapped and they look so gross. They're like flaking. That's not going to be the case with these. So they have that hyaluronic acid, and they also have the vitamin E in there too. So the hyaluronic acid is in our HA ceramide booster. So if you have not tried that before, it's one of my very favorite skincare products. I love it because of its hydration. So I was so excited to learn that our makeup now has that in it too. Super exciting. There's also a sharpener, and they're meant for long wear, so hours of wear. So I put them on. I'm able to like eat and drink and things like that I was not able to do previously, and they stay a whole lot better. So I'm actually going to test a couple colors out on the back of my hand so that you can see, and then they're also going to dry, and then I'll show you that they do not budge. They don't go anywhere. So let's try out a couple of these colors. So this one is, let me see, this one's rose. So I'm actually going to show you rose on the back of my hand today. So that one's rose, and they all have a matte finish to them too. I don't know if I said that yet, but they all have a matte finish. This is the hot pink. So pretty. I love the hot pink one. We've got red, bright red. If you love a red, so beautiful. And that's very similar to the same shade that our old red lip liner was as well. Let's show you some of these nudes. This one is the auburn nude. It's so pretty. Look at that. So pretty. So I'm gonna, it's these four. You can go ahead and tell me down below which one out of these four is your favorite. So there are 9 colors total. 9 lip liners, which I'm super excited about because we've never had 9 before, or at least not since I've been a part of Mary Kay. So go ahead and tell me down below. Do you like rose, hot pink, red, or auburn nude? So go ahead and tell me that down below, which one out of these 4 is your favorite. So like I said, give it 30 seconds to dry, and then I will show you in just a second that they're not going to go anywhere. And if you like my eyeshadow right now, stay tuned. It'll be on my website on the 16th of this month. So September 16th. I'll do a demo with it too, but they're in brand new liquid eyeshadows that are super glittery, and I think they're so fun. I am loving them, so stay tuned for that too. All right. let me show you today. Let me find, let's do this one. Mauve Nude is one of my very favorite colors out of this new lip liner launch. So let me show you that one today. So you can just twist up to get more to come out. Also, the sharpener is right on the colored part. So you can just pop this right off, and that's how you're gonna sharpen it too if you want a little bit of a sharper edge. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna outline my lips. And again, this is a matte finish. So like I said, because it's within 30 seconds, you can kind of mash your lips together and it will definitely go back and forth right now. In 30 seconds, it's not gonna budge. So make sure that you get your lips where you want them to be quickly. And then after you're all done, then it's gonna stay exactly where you want it to be. I know that's been one of the, I don't know why I keep talking while I'm putting this on, but I know that's been one of the biggest complaints I've heard before is I want a lipstick or I want a lip color that doesn't go anywhere. I don't want it to budge. I don't want it to move. I want it to be able to wear it for hours. I know I hear that all the time. So these actually are making that possible. All right. Okay. I can even feel it drying right now. Okay, there we go. So this one again was the Mauve Nude. It's one of the brand new colors, the brand new mauve colors, the brand new nude ones. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually put a little bit, like I said, a lip gloss over the top. The lip gloss I'm gonna use today is Tawny Nude. It's one of my favorites. It's also one of my best sellers. So we're gonna go ahead and put this right over the top. This is going to add a little bit more vitamin E, so it's gonna keep your lips extra hydrated. So if you want just the matte look, you can use just the lip liner. I love a gloss over the top, so that's why I usually add a gloss over the top. So I'm just gonna put a little of this on. Just like that. So all this was the Mauve Nude lip liner. Let me grab it real quick. So the Mauve Nude lip liner with the Tawny Nude lipstick, or lip gloss, sorry. So anyway, this is the lip combo. What do you think? Tell me down below what you think about it. And now let me show you that these are not going to move at all. It's really kind of crazy, but you can just go ahead and you can use your fingers right over the top to show that they are not going to move. You can test them out yourself. They are stay proof. They're water resistant, so you can put it right underneath the water, and again, they're not going to go anywhere. So you drinking liquids and things like that, it's not going to cause it to go away. And you can just, I mean, you can see here, I'm like, there you go. You can really see I'm like trying to really press down, and they're not going anywhere. They're not budging. So I'm in love with them. If you're wondering how do I get them off, I really suggest the brand new oil-free eye makeup remover. We just reformulated that as well, and the new formulation is amazing. It's so good. It even gets rid of Sharpie, which I was absolutely astounded by that it got rid of Sharpie. I actually drew Sharpie on my face to test that out, so you can check my shorts here on YouTube and you'll be able to find that. But it will take off your waterproof stuff, and it will also take off anything that, like Sharpie. Like, I mean, who would think? I don't even know why I tried that. Somebody told me that it would take off Sharpie, and I tried it. I was like, oh my gosh, I couldn't believe it. But if you're trying any makeup that is waterproof like this and you're wondering how to get rid of it, so eyeliner, mascara, lip liner, the oil-free eye makeup remover is definitely the way to go. But this is just, I mean, it's absolutely crazy. I really truly didn't know that lip liners could be this stay proof, but also be hydrating and keeping your lips nice and moisturized at the same time. So I did just hit 1,000 subscribers, so thank you so much for subscribing here. If you are not already subscribed, make sure you do hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna have a link for you to be able to fill out soon to be able to get entered in to win a gift from me, because I'm doing a giveaway since we hit 1,000. So thank you guys so much. If you want to check out these products and order these products with me, I will drop my link down below in the description, so you can find it there and you can find what the products are exactly that I used today. But again, I used the Mauve Nude lip liner, the waterproof, brand new waterproof, and then I also used the Tawny Nude lip gloss. So thank you guys so much for tuning in with me today, and I'll see you back here next time. Bye.